Good morning, everyone. I am Kanchan Jha from Sage University, Bhopal, and today we are going to learn how we can attach a certificate through our Google form. As usual, we have to log in our Gmail ID, then go to the Google Apps, then we have to go on to the Google Forms. Then you have to create a feedback form from which you want to attach your certificate. For example, here I am taking feedback, preparing a feedback form. Here I am going to add the certificate. For that, just you have to click on these three buttons, then go to the add-ons. In add-ons, you have to search Certify EM. Certify EM. Just download it. I already installed it. That's why I'm not going to install, but you have to install this one. And after that, when you install, it can appear here. After installing this, just click on this add-ons, go to the Certify EM. Okay, I have to install this one again. So I'm going to install it again. I'm uninstalling it. And then I am installing it again so that I can see all the features of this one. Okay, after installing, I'm going to click on the add-ons, then Certify EM. Here you can see all the features of Certify EM. You have to click on Show Certify EM Controls. Here are the controls of certifications. You have to turn on the certification. If you want some criteria for passing of a student, then you have to select from this one, whatever points you want, which candidate you want to give certificate. For that, you have to select this one. I am using 0%. You can use their template also, or you can change template also. Here are the some templates. If you want your own template, then just click on this one. I just change the template. If you don't want to use your own template, you can use their template also. For example, I am taking this one. And in this manner, we can add a certificate to your feedback form. Whenever some person fill this form, they can automatically get the certificate for the quiz. So thank you everyone for watching this.